Refilling the Verge multi-feed soap system is easy, thanks to a smart sense system that lets maintenance staff know when soap levels are low and helps prevent overfilling. The LED indicator on the multi-feed port will flash red when the soap tank is below 25% capacity, alerting maintenance staff the soap needs to be refilled soon. To refill the soap, start by taking a 3mm hex Allen wrench and undo the tamper-resistant screw on the puck. Next, pour in the soap. The large fill port makes it easy to refill the 1.3-gallon soap tank. To prevent overfilling, the LED indicator will turn solid red, and a short buzzing sound will last 2.5 seconds when soap levels are at 90% capacity. To finish up, place the puck back on the fill port and fasten the security screw.